All right, number 24, let's get right into it. If y to the negative 2 power plus 2 times y to negative 1 power minus 15 equals 0, which of the following could be the value of y? All right, guys, so you can plug in all these values just right off the bat, but honestly, it's going to take a while. Let's see if we can simplify it at all. So let's go ahead and rewrite this. If we have a negative exponent, we can rewrite it as a fraction. So I'm going to have 1 over y squared plus 2 over y minus 15, and that's going to be equal to 0. And then what I'm going to do is I don't like fractions, so I'm going to multiply both sides by y squared. And this is going to simplify down to 1 plus 2y minus 15y squared, and that is going to be equal to 0. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, and I'm going to have 2y minus 15y squared equals negative 1. I'm going to factor out a negative y here, so I'm going to have negative y, let's see here, 15y minus 2 equals negative 1. And then I'm going to divide both sides by negative y. I'm going to have 15y minus 2 equals 1 over y. All right, guys, so this is a little bit cleaner than before, and it should be a little bit easier to see the relationship between the answer choices and if this will work out. So if I plug in a whole number, like 3, for example, for y, I'm going to get a fraction on this side and a really large number on this side. So I don't think it can be any whole numbers here. Okay, does that make sense? And if I plug in, and sorry, guys, this should be a 15 right here. So 15. Okay, now if I plug in negative 1 over 3, that is going to give me a larger number on this side, so it's not going to be that. And now if I plug in a positive value, let's see here. The positive value of 1/5 isn't going to work either. You can see that for yourself, but let's go ahead and try plugging in the negative 1/5 here, okay? So it's going to be 15 times negative 1/5 minus 2 equals, sorry, let me give some room here. That's going to be equal to 1 over negative 1/5. All right, so let's go ahead and simplify this down. I'm going to have negative 3 minus 2 equals negative 5. Negative 5 equals negative 5, and that checks out. All right, guys, our answer is C. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.